CDSCO registration, wholesale and manufacturing license. Every country has its own regulatory body under the Ministry of Health to look after the medical and pharmaceutical products. What is a CDSCO? Central Drugs Standard Control Organization is a regulatory body for the Indian medical devices industries under the provisions of Drugs Act 1940 and Cosmetics Act 1945. How will Operon Strategist help you for the CDSCO registration process? Online registration. Documentation uploading. Observation, error. Audit. Observation, non-compliance. Licensing activity. Operon Strategist makes long process easy and smooth with the best technical team working for you. With excellent assistance, timely response, and affordable fee structure. Get in touch with us. Website www.operonstrategist.com